Okay, boy, you want to go for a ride?
You're bugging me, Bug. What is it? Oh, okay, I'll take a look. Oh, your friend's in trouble? Tangled in barbed wire, oh wow. Okay, let's go help him right away, but you know what? It's starting to snow really hard, so we need to get out of here quickly and go help him. Let's go, Bug.
Any sign of Rustler and Stamp? Do you see them? Looks like the coast is clear. Let's go. Shoot, there they are. He saw us. Go, go, go! Maybe we can hide in the library. We can't shake him. He's right on our tail. Nice move. Now let's go. Okay, punch it, Bug. They said they were in the forest. There's a lot of barbed wire up ahead. Let's go there. Bug, I think I see them up ahead. See the red light?
Ereve? Damon, you in there? Ereve, are you okay? Damon, are you in there?
Yeah. You've been stuck here for a while.
Sorry, we had some unpleasant company. Okay, I got a cutter. We're gonna cut you out now, okay? All right, there's one. Okay. And two. Hey, Damon, try to get out. Oh, you're still stuck. Okay, there's one more. Let's get that last one. Awesome. How are you? Oh, you're still stuck. Okay.
Good.
You good? Okay, buddy, let's get out of here.
Actually, could you help us with something?
Go.
Oh man, that was like getting hit with a baseball bat.
It's okay, you're bleeding.
Oh shucks. Okay, we need to do something about that. Wow, look at that. There's blood everywhere.
I could also call my mom Jackson.
I know it's coming out of her. Okay. I will stop bleeding eventually. So I'm not gonna die. Could you please get me some paper towel? Because I don't want to quit here and I'm having fun. I know, I'm bleeding. Just saying, shooting this video resulted in massive bloodshed. Somehow I'm surviving and we're still shooting.